Hi everybody, welcome to Jake Dan Videos, and today we have a new video. And this one is a video of, you probably didn't know that we had Budgies. I think I mentioned it in a video before. I don't know. But here they are. This one we got in December. A long time ago. He's like in October, and sometime in October he's gonna have his first hatch day. Louie we got in April. Oh yeah, the names are Beaks and Louie. Planning to get another one soon. Louie, say hi. Say hi. Beaks, say hi. He can actually talk a bit. I just can't get him to do it in front of camera. Sometimes he's in a talking mood, but sometimes he isn't. You can say pretty bird and how are you? And bird, of course. Louie has learned a few words too from Beaks. And we have different, our pets are a bit different because Beaks is, he acts like a leader because he got here first and he's the strongest of them, stronger than Louie. So I think he's like a flock leader. And then we have our big cage right here. It's a really big, it's a pretty big cage. We got a little playground. We got lots of toys in here, in the mirror, which Beaks loves. And then the disco toy, which Louie loves. And they both really like this play gym. Hi, Beaks. Hi. Say hi. Say how are you? Come on, say how are you? How are you? How are you? Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe.